Good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone. Good evening. Good afternoon. Happy Friday. Hey. What's up, guys? Good day so far. Greetings. Hey. How you doing? How you doing? Look at that great chat, great community hanging around. What's up, everyone? Thank you for joining. Hope you're having a great Friday and a good time to close out on a green positive P&L for the week. Let's just go ahead and share the presentation pretty much everywhere in all the trading groups, all the communities. We are live and running a $325,000 giveaways randomly during the stream, which means you gotta be here and be ready to participate. Complete the form, like the video, be subscribed. As usually, these are the minimal conditions. We're gonna run through our trading. Let's have a cash Friday. I do agree with that. And I can tell you, my FundedSeat accounts, the Daily Ultra, which by the way, are continuing on their huge discount with their Ultra. Daily Ultra, 50% off, Scrembo code. I'm trading the 100k account, 35% consistency with 3,000 bucks and no daily loss limit. It is kind of the best version possible. That's what I'm trading, so under this combination. It's no consistency on the funded stage, daily payouts, and no cap. And you're not moved to live unless you withdraw at least $100,000. Keep that in mind. So that's what I'm trading. We've got two funded accounts like that because me made a ton yesterday on both. You guys remember? Good morning, good day. Stay green. 106 and 104. Technically, today, we could cash out and walk away. We could cash out everything down to original balance plus 100. That would be 4,300 and 6,200. 10,500 and walk away. We could cash out today. Today's high, last week's low is what is bothering us for the moment. Market's coming down to 274 today. Yet for most of the time we've been uptrending, which is the domination part. Clearly the algo line is fully respecting the price action, or the price action is fully respecting the algo. It's the red line you guys see. Good evening, good day, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it, by the way. We're having a lovely moment. Yeah, I think we're having a good time. We're going to trade our Lucid accounts. We've got some Lucid Daily funded. Today we're going to cash out from, I think we have the 5th day. If so, we're going to cash out from one Lucid Flex 3,000. I think we have the 5th day today. I'm going to look into that. Trade Lucid Daily. Trade Blue Sky. If got time, then we'll go trade Savius and tap on futures. We got some Blue Sky going on. Looks great. But I'm extremely tempted with this two accounts we have here with FundedSeat, Funded Stage. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, by the way. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's have some green tea. Time to unleash the tiger. Markets laddering up and respecting certain elements. Things will change and we'll have a character difference as soon as you are modifying the price action with a breakdown. Daily VWAP, assuming it's going to be touched during the New York session, 409. It's rarely we don't touch daily VWAP on New York session. It's rarely happening not to touch it. To have an entire New York session without touching that one, well, that's without forgetting about the weekly one, which sits on 653, guys. Right? So there is an interesting difference between the weekly VWAP 650s and the daily 400s. We're somewhere in the middle. Little resistance stepping around the previous top. It is a meaningful point covering today's high and last week's low. Good morning, good day, guys. We're going to take it slowly, especially with this account. In terms of no rush to trade. Maybe we're going to start with our 3 evaluations. Let's just set up the copy trader for that. And delete the other. Good day, welcome everyone. Good morning, good evening. Look at this one, guys. I mean, it's Friday, but the markets were acting differently. They were acting differently. We've been dominated today by an uptrending movement. Good morning, good day, guys. Good to have you onboarded. Thank you so much for joining. Pretty slow here. Option man, each giveaway. Each day we have a new round and a new link. I'm testing for a little long here. And I'm out, 272 profit. There you go. I got this on a price action based, 272 profit. That's a good pizza. If we take this money out. But we're not going to take this out. We're going to build this one a little higher, a little higher. And then I want to have a $10,000. I never had a $10,000 payout from a single account, guys. From a single account, a $10,000. I think that's something interesting with a prop firm. So from a single account, not from multiple, 3, 4, 5. No, a single 10,000 in a single shot. Exactly. Rescue happening at full scale, just like with things happening around the crypto space, which is changing the pace. The crypto space is going strongly for the upside. What's the daily maximum? There is no daily maximum. There is no daily maximum. Welcome everyone. Good morning, good day. If we look into the 4-hour representation, well, it is something, guys. It is something. We had a correction here. Just around 1,100 points. Crypto space is changing the numbers. And it's moving. Good day, good morning. Thank you so much for joining. Oh yeah. Crazy Friday, that's how you're calling it. How much have I got from Blusky? I got from Blusky 2 payouts so far. Both from 50k static. Propel. 200k static, sorry guys. 200k static Propel accounts. The Propel is no activation fee. Let me send you the links for those of you that are interested to be part of our team. If you want the giveaways, you gotta be part of our team. The link is right there. So we've got 2 payouts, around 4,400 totally within the same day. Propel, 200k static drawdown, which means the drawdown is never trailing. It always stays at the place you're buying it. Always stays there. So for Propel accounts, the coupon code we're having is SCREMBO30, right? These ones are all having no activation fee, and they're the best static accounts in terms of the drawdown. That's why we're using Blusky a lot for the static. Yes, correct. Valorant, it is, yes. Your max loss is going to be on balance $100, right? So if the account touches $100 balance, it fails. Good morning, 12 ACDC. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday's high, that's what you're looking at, 689. Slightly above the weekly VWAP. I'm considering weekly VWAP for today, 651 for the upside, and then daily VWAP for the downside, 412. Some of the interesting levels that I'm looking forward. Yet, the trading has been quite simple so far. I mean, we're respecting this uptrend nicely. Supply giving us that's what we had. Oh, good morning, Jake. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Great to have you onboarded. Look at that. Does static mean if the max drawdown is 4,800, it stays like that even if you are plus 2,000? Correct. You knew me. Exactly. So, for example, with 200k static Propel, that's what I've been trading. You have a 2,000 static drawdown when you're starting off, right? You're starting off in the evaluation stage, your 2,000 drawdown. Which means 198. 198. It is the only time you lose the account if the balance is 198. It doesn't matter how much money you're making, for the upside, that value is not going to change of the max loss. No. So if you're making 4,000 for the upside, your drawdown is not trailing with you end of the day. No, it remains on 198. And the beauty with static drawdown is if you made $500, it's not just profit, right? It's also additional drawdown. If you start off with 200k and you made 500, you're having 200,500 bucks, which is no longer 2,000 bucks away from the max loss like it is with end of the day drawdown. It is 2,500. The profit goes in two places. Profit and drawdown. Here's the link, guys, for those of you to sign up. You got to be signed up. We have 3 different codes for Blusky is the only company where we have 3 codes. For the launch accounts, the coupon code is Scrembo, and it's only one-time discount, unfortunately. But the Propel, it is unlimited uses, Scrembo 30, and it's 30% off. What's happening here? Should I DC a little bit? Oh yes. Few contracts. If it goes ugly, I'm cutting it. Don't worry about it. If it goes ugly, I'm cutting it away. No. I don't know if there's other companies. There might be some other companies running with static drawdown, but they're great. I'm cutting this. I'm cutting this. I don't like the reaction. And it's going lower, so good that I cut. I'm still in profit, $45. Well, welcome everyone. Testing out on a little short. We'll see. Can we get back to this algo line and respect the same pattern? Might not be the best place to short it. On the 1 minute is not the best place to short it. The 1 minute. The first giveaway starts soon, guys. Make sure you have completed the participation rules, which means to like the video, be subscribed, join the giveaway formula, sign up the giveaway, and join our Discord. I'm out for the moment. 192 down. Ooh. What's up, buddy? How is your Ethereum doing, 12 ACDC? Are you calling the banks already? Have you seen the value today? 2,387. Oh my gosh. Where is it? 3,000 at 1,657. Do the math. 3,000 on 2,386. Oh. A sports car. Deep charts reverse. No. No. It's very good for Ethereum. It's very good. We pumped a lot. Last 48 hours, more than 20%. I got a lot of BTC and some of the altcoins. I even got some meme. Been there since 2014, so I got things I'm not gonna touch for my whole life. Abu totally disappeared. Totally disappeared. Probably he got rich from that. We're shorting here. We're testing out the waters. Aggressively as usually. Abu had 2 winners back to back. And then disappeared. It's not really based on the news, Jonathan. We had tons of news that were bullish and the markets were going heavily down. It was a bear market till now, and we're kind of getting to the end of this bear market. So I think we're seeing some rotation, but this is a beautiful profit, guys. Look at that. I'm adding to this 65 contracts. Wild. Oh, what a nasty buyback. What a nasty buyback. Everything's fine, buddy. As long as the P&L is gonna be on my side. Ha ha ha. Damn candle. That was a great looking candle on the 1 minute. Damn. Yeah. I'm massively skilled into just a few positions. $426. I had it long, but it was not coming. Ah. That's the way you're making money. I've DC'd more guys into this one. We're sitting on 75 contracts. Let's go. Look at that one badger. If I get out here, I should be satisfied, but I don't think we get another wick. We're to take profit here. Let's go, guys. There is some inefficiency in that silly candle. That's going to be 3,255. Oh. Keep going. The very moment it looks bullish, it turns back. It turns back on you. Look at that rejection. So I'm going break even here. And I'm going for the big fish. 3,255. Let's see if we can get this one. Keep pressing the button, guys. Keep pressing the button. You would wish so, 12AC. You would wish, right? Give me the flush. Come on. Stop running it back. We don't need that. No. We got $3,200 waiting there. Everyone is waiting for that. And if you touch that, I might press the payout button. $130s. $130s. You know, the main purpose is to make money with it. No other purpose. In reality. Theory is... It didn't reach 160, it reached around 130s. 490. Oh, so I'm gonna go 491. 490 and 50. I'll go 490 and 50. You're not gonna make money before I make. What a beautiful trade. Look at that. The algo is here, 488. 488 on the algo, guys. So you gotta relax. That's gonna be a $3,000 there. 491. $3,000. We're almost sitting on 8,000. It didn't get to 160, but it will. Eventually it will. A new higher high. Well. It is a good looking one. It is a good looking one, chat. Might be taking half of it. I mean, we're having 75 contracts. 75. The good part is this downtrend that we're running right now, this little micro channel, is happening after the flat opening. So that's something I am thinking about. We have the hourly flat opening, which could give us a downtrending momentum towards the algo timing, right? So this 25 minutes of downtrending bleeding, that would be nice. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Ultra is not having intraday. Ultra is end of the day, Jonathan. The intraday is happening for the Lucid. For the Lucid daily. 108,000, guys. Should I press the payout of 8,000? I can stop this trade here and press the payout of 8,000. Not taking anything yet out of this. There's no way 12ACDC is going to make more money than me in this trade. We're not going to allow him to make. Let's go, guys. Just a little deeper. I am selling something. I'm selling something there. Taking this one lower. Right. I sold something. We're running on 50. We were 50.75. I sold more. Selling more. Oh, there you go. The whole target has been touched, guys. $2,613 profit. On a daily payout, no cap, no consistency account. We have 108,990. There you go. That's the name of the game. So now, I can just go inside my dashboard and request 8,890 bucks. 8,890 bucks. What do you guys think about? Oh my gosh. Take it to 200. So they can pay me only 100. That's the name of the game, guys. And we did this. Let me share with you. We actually did this. This is the third day. Can you believe that? We already cashed out 250 bucks from here. But this is the third day. So can you believe in my third day to be able to take out $8,800? I could take this money, blow the account, it's going to be lost because you're taking the maximum. That's something. Or I could actually work on this and take it to 500,000 like I did on Lucid. Only 90,000 left. I have the other account that I could do that. We've got the other account that I could do that. But I think this is spectacular, guys, with this. The other account is sitting on 104. So do the math. 8,800 plus 4,300. Do the math. It's about $13,000. 13 grand payout if I want to blow both accounts. Probably I'm going to take a massive payout from one of the accounts and try to scale and work with the other. So I can take everything out of this and try to build the other, which is 104. And we have 3 other evaluations too that are needing 4,000 more because we have 2,000 and the target is 6,000. It's 100,000 totally, Jonathan, totally. As a lifetime payout from this daily ultra. Yes. FundedSeat 100k ultra. The 35% consistency one. 3,000 drawdown with no daily loss limit. This is what I'm trading. Coupon code Scrembo for maximum discount. That's the link right there, guys. $50 evils. Oh, look at it. 12 AC is proposing a business model. If you reinvest half of the profits each time, you will reach 200k in payouts within 6 months. Yeah, they're expensive because of this trading conditions. We do giveaways, yes. You have an end of the day drawdown. If you want a cheaper version, then you gotta go Lucid Daily with intraday. Look at this markdown. We're actually crossing the algo red line for the first time. And this is happening because we're streaming. So I'm thinking, guys, very likely I'm going to press the button today, 8,800. Very likely. Not going to press the button from both accounts. Or I could try something else. I could keep this account in this situation and have it as a backup of payout. Right, so keep this account at 8,990 with the ability to take out 8,880, 890. Keep it like this, not trade it as a backup solution. For what kind of strategy? For the strategy of trying to bring this 104 to 120 and take it all out. If it fails, I'm going to take my 8,800 at that time, which is secured and it's remaining here. Let's do this, guys. Let's do it. Yeah, daily profits. We're running basically Lucid Daily for daily profits, uncapped, and FundedSeat for daily profits, uncapped. Yes, it is way more advantageous because you don't need to spend so many days on the evaluation stage. So bring this one to 109 and take 18 grand out. We gotta pay the bills. Guy cleaning the garden. Guy taking care of the pool. Who's paying the bills? Are you paying the bills, 12 AC? Are you gonna pay the bills? Who's paying the bills? Gardener. The pool guy. So, tennis balls. I better play with dead tennis balls. Wow. Look at this. I'm testing along. Call me crazy, but I'm testing along here. Call me crazy. Oh yeah. No, I'm testing along. Call me crazy. FundedSeat pays it a few hours. 330 for your target knife art. Oh. Are you paying the bills? Lucid Pro, I made a video on Lucid Pro. I got a great opinion on that. We made some strategies, some videos about it on my channel. You can check that out, Haroon. Aren't we getting anything here? No response from the price section? What should I do? This is a killer of the ACA. This price action model is a massive, massive killer of the ACA. But you know the 5-minute algo is going to change. If you DCA, you die in these conditions. I could only DCA around the 5-minute algo. I can cut this one and walk away and buy back when the 5-minute algo starts. Bulls are nowhere to be found, actually. 187 down. Damn. 187 down. Terrible trader. Long in an obvious downtrend. I'm gonna wait for the 5-minute algo. Let's do a giveaway. Exactly, they are preparing the battlefield. Let's do a giveaway, guys. Come on. Wake up. Wake up, guys. We gotta do the first giveaway. What's the name of the game? We're gonna do 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Oh, yeah. Watch out for the numbers. Watch out for the numbers. What you gotta do? What you gotta do when they come for you? Well, look at that. You gotta do to sign up. Sign up, complete a form. Complete the form, like the video, be subscribed. And join my Discord. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? EA Sports to the game. So, where are we? Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. At the moment, there is 160 people that will not receive the account. And they can cry. And they can say sorry, sir. And they can do any kind of stuff and shit. That's not gonna come. Because I see the difference between people watching and joining the late minute. Only joining for the giveaway. They're gonna be kicked out. They're not gonna receive anything. We're not rewarding 10 kickers. What you gotta do for the giveaway? Bad boys, bad boys. You gotta fill up the form, buddy. Fill up the form. They call me on Discord. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, fill up the form. Absolutely mandatory. 50 guys. You gotta fill the form. Yes, you gotta fill the form. So, best FIFA. I remember about 2002, 2004, 2006. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So listen up. Listen up for the numbers. We're doing 50,000 Lucid Pro. You know, prop firms will get terrified if you get to this pile, I can tell you. 2006. A best one. I got nothing to do with Hungary. So listen up, chat, listen up. What's happening here? Oh, still going down. Watch out for the numbers. You gotta guess the number. Only a single guess per person. It's not needed to spam. It's not needed to go with all the numbers. We're not that silly. 00, a single number 2, and a 7. You know, this is a combination that is gonna make you scream. You can start right there. Good day, good morning. You can start right there. Let me know your best choice. 00, a single number 2, and 77. Oh, look at that. 12 AC is not running by number 2, Jake. What's your opinion on that? This is like a podcast. What's your opinion? What's your opinion, Jake? Are you having a word on that? Why is 12 AC betraying you? Is he smoked? How? Having a juice today, 12 AC? Oh yeah, I bet. Oh. Oh, we're touching Wheel Up. Let me long it. Yeah, I've longed it, guys. In the meantime, we're going to sit in this long. Don't worry about my trade. Let it print. Let it print. Don't worry about let it print. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there, guys. Game over. We're going to shuffle. Till number 2 is going to be on the green. Because that's how we set it up with the paddle. Right, so we got the paddle pointing towards the green. And we got number 2 on the green. Hopefully it makes sense for you guys. It's gonna be number 7. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. Let's go. We got you. I got him along here. Congratulations for the winners. We've got you with number 7. It is time to release the tiger. Breaking the woods. We're gonna get you do something wild for this. 86 winners, look at that. Wow. Surprisingly good. Surprisingly good, guys. You guys will compete for a minute. This is gonna be some mad crazy competition. You're not gonna believe your eyes. Are you ready to see this? I like to see that profit, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I am out here. I'm out here. I am out here. 1,643. Oh yeah. Time to start, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Who's ripping? Look at a 12 AC. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. Who's speeding up? Space Jam. Space Jam is winning, guys. That's crazy. Space Jam. Wow, you mad boy. You mad boy, Space Jam, you're winning on this one. Unbelievable, Space Jam. Have you filled up the form? Have you? Did you fill up the form? Should I give you 10 seconds to do it? Tell me. Tell me, because if you say no, I'm gonna verify quickly. Not gonna give you that. Say. Are you here? We're gonna find out. Space Jam, are you here? Let's see. Is he? Are you here, Space Jam? Oh, no response found. Oh, no response found. But I think we got that wrong. Let's take a look at the name. Space Jam, now you got it correctly. Good job, buddy. 50,000 Lucid, bro. And the market opened. Oh my gosh. That's why we got out of the trade, guys. Look at that. We're gonna run the... not gonna run the opening bell again on you. As soon as it's undercutting here, I'm gonna touch my lungs. Oh, there you go. Go for it. We're relonging this, guys. We're relonging this. Bad boys, bad boys. Is this gonna go all the way back to 500s? You got this one, Space Jam. Changing underwear. Wow. Sadistic times. But this is an animalistic price action. You know that 2 minutes pump we got was exactly for this purpose. Exactly for this purpose. And I'm relonging this. And I'm gonna DCA. Oh yeah. We got 1,600 profit. And we're DCing here. Oh! And they're smashing my profits away. I've DC'd again. Oh! I've smashed my numbers again. Another round of DCA. We're sitting on 50 contracts. Oh my... oh, look at it. The account is going to be lost. Wow. The account is going to be lost soon. We were having too much fun here. There's no focus. Damn. The account is going to be lost soon. It's gone. Have a nice day. Should have nicely closed it. Oh my gosh. If we lose this account today, I'm gonna take the profit from the other. As soon as the account is gonna be lost, I'm gonna smash the profit from the other. Probably I'm gonna DC it here. Yeah, I'll DC it here, guys. I'll DC it here. 80 contracts, look at that. Look at the pump we're gonna get right now. All the way back to 500. And we're gonna sit at 120,000. If this is going down to that wick, we're gonna lose the account, that's right. But I need a green candle as soon as the new one opens. A few more seconds and the next candle needs to be massively green. Come on guys, say green, green in the chat. Give me the green candle right now, this one. Otherwise it's so rigged. If this is not green, it's so rigged. Go green, come on. No 330, no. Forget about the 330s. Give me the green candle here. Push, push. I'm about to exit, guys. I'm about to exit. Yeah. I'll take the loss there. 2,000 down. But the account is not lost. Keep that in mind. We're going to recover this 2,000. We were a little bit oversized on a wrong entry. So we DCA'd. We're going to have some nice longs from here. Let's go. Bad boys, bad boys. We're going to have some nice longs from there. Come on. Get into my limit orders, buddy. We've got you nicely. We're sitting on 30 contracts. 35. I like this so far. Max drawdown, original balance plus 100. Oh, look at that, guys. Scrembo's on fire. Look at that. The account is about to be placed on profit. Oh, this is so ugly, this candle. Oh. You see how we saved this one? Oh, that's so ugly what they're doing with me right now. Give me the wick. Double wick. The max drawdown is original balance plus 100. So we still have 2,000. But that is no fun. I'm gonna put some limit orders here down the road. Did we touch the 330s? We're sitting on 40 contracts. That's a mad thing. Max drawdown, original balance plus 100. So 100K. Keep it going. Oh, that was quite deep. Let's see what do we get right now. And we're so close. We're so close to max loss. It is max loss. Did we just... We're not going to survive it. We're not going to survive it. It's over. It's not? It's not over? We're not going to survive it. Is it over? We're down by the tick, guys. Are we surviving this? Oh my gosh. Are we surviving this? No way there's going to be another red candle here. No way. Wow. Can we survive? Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. The next candle. It can't be red, guys. It can't be red. There's no way the next candle is still gonna be red. That's gonna be so bad. Look at that. Are you moving it hard? Take profit. Here. 367 take profit. There's no way this thing has... Oh, look at that. It's game over. It's game over. Oh my god. Oh, it's over. When this is over, I'm requesting the payout on the other $8,000, 8,800. I don't believe this is not going to be over, guys. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh. Keep it pumping. Oh my god. I'm not selling anything yet, guys. I'm holding. I am holding. And I'm not going to fully get out there. I'm going to push my target a little higher. I'm going to partially exit there. Yeah, partially. Partially. Yeah, partially. Can we get that? Not selling anything. Not selling anything. Wow. This is wild. If this thing would have touched 320s again. Damn, look at that. And obviously, for the rest of the trade, we're going to get out at 418. Partial exit 368, guys. Not selling anything yet here. Not selling anything yet here. Pump. Pump, baby. Go, baby. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking bad. Look at that. The whole thing disappears soon. This is so freaking bad, guys. It's over. I'm telling you, this thing is going to be over soon. I'm going to go stop loss break even on this. If it comes back to... Look at that crazy wild candle going back up. If it's... Oh my god. Increasing my target for some of the limit order exits. This is so freaking bad. Yeah, we have a profit trailing protection. That's right. But I'd like to see it for the upside. Come on, guys. Cross the 360s. Damn 360s. Yeah. Touch the trailing. I'm going to rebuy longs here. Yeah. Rebuying longs here. We've got 15 contracts long. This is a much better entry than the previous. Much better entry than the previous, guys. Much better. Much better entry than the previous. Yeah, but we got a good sizing right now for this. We got a good sizing, 15 contracts. I should leave this one go for a 4. Minimum 420. If I go take profit 420, that's gonna be a $3,000. Not bad. Minimum 400. We were so close earlier on securing a nice profit. But also so close on losing this account. Probably a single point. I've DC'd right here, guys. I market order DC'd. We're sitting on 30, so we doubled. We doubled our sizing. Let it run. Take profit. 418, 5,782. Watch Scrembo hitting that. Come on. Yeah. Now we got 3,500 balance. Not gonna DCA, but might worth it. $432. I'll take 418, 5,700. $321 on my entry. I guess I gotta be relaxed for that. That was a damn trade, guys. Oh my gosh, we were just $50 away from losing the account. Now we're having 4,000. I could just stop this and take this money out. Look at that, it's pumping. Take this money out, take the other money out as well. But we're not gonna do that, guys. It has been a hell of a ride. I can assure you. Oh my gosh. Didn't even have time to trade Lucid. It has been so much focus for this daily payouts. It's just wild. And I'm gonna probably trade my copy traded accounts to the evaluations from here. I'm gonna push some longs for my evaluations from here. Yeah. That's all for my evaluations from here, guys. 3 copy traded evaluations from here long. Let's go. We need 366 for the exit, $2,000. Time to open up my quant tower. It is very dangerous. We got today's low, 274. The 5-minute is looking ugly. I agree with you guys. But that was a hell of a situation we've been going through. $350s is a flat line on the 1 minute. Look at that. 350s flat line. Game over. Game over. Yes. We only have to wait and see. What's happening with the other evaluations? They're 890. Look at that. The other evaluations are having a good chance. If I don't believe in 350 breakout, I can just get out here and rebuy for an entry again. Right? And scalp it in this range. I'm DCing a little bit, guys, in this one. And I'm lowering my target for 255. That's doable. We need a rejection here. It's gonna recover. DC it a little. Not gonna DC for the funded one. We're sitting on 30. The evaluations are sitting on 40. Yeah. $500 away from the max loss again for the funded account. Not looking good. We need the frickin' reaction. We need the frickin' reaction. $200 away from the max loss. It's gone. Oh my gosh. You know the next step, right? You know the next step, right? We got to long the big belly account. And I'm gonna do the next step right now for the FundedSeat. Just as I said. Just as I said. Withdraw on FundedSeat. Withdraw. Look at this one. Where is it? Select the account. Refresh the balance. Request the payout. I'm gonna click confirm. Are you guys ready? Confirm. Submitting. There you go. This is what happens. Look at the value. Celebration time, guys. Celebration. 8,890. Congratulations. 8,890. Cashed out the whole thing from the other. Celebration time. Boom. 8,890. That's it. Thank you, guys. I told you, I'm gonna give a chance. We'll see what happens with the other. If not, we're gonna take the max spout from here. $8,890. There you go. It's raining. It's raining. Make it rain. Look at that. The SEAM funded, it has nothing inside. It's over. This is the account we just cashed out. They already deducted the money. Ha ha ha. Look at that one. 8,800. Cash money. Hard, cold cash money. Well, big belly accounts are making money. The reason I got in along here is because the big belly have no max loss. So, obvious reasons. Obvious reasons. The other FundedSeat is gone. Pretty much everything is gone on FundedSeat. Everything. We're gonna have the ability to restart fresh on Monday. This is what happened. We lost that account 12 AC. So as a result, secure the payout. There you go. And we got into the big belly longs. But I wanted to verify if I got my 5th day on the Lucid Flex account, the third, 2 big belly, the other one, a third. I wanted to verify if we have the 5th account there. Because if we have the 5th day, sorry, not account, 5th day, let's verify again, together. We're going to cash out 3,000 from that one too. So let's do the math. This is a Lucid Flex sitting on 171 balance, 24 grand profit. First 5 days. Then no, but we requested a payout on the 14th, so unfortunately we traded this days before requesting, right? So that's the first cycle. Second cycle starts on 28th. We have 3 days in that one. And 2 more needed. On the 5th we finished. Yep. No trading on the 6th. We requested a payout on the 6th. A fresh cycle started on the 7th. It's first day, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Today is going to be the 5th day. We got to do $250. And we're requesting $3,000 payout from this Lucid Flex. $250 needed. Let's do it, guys. $250 and requesting the payout. It's not going to count. Yes, it's not counting. Exactly. Consolation prize. And we're going to take this Lucid out. And then make space basically for Lucid dailies. It's going to be the 3rd payout on this account. I want to long this. I only need to do $250. long here and leave it open till it's 250. Eventually it's going to be 250 at some point, right? I don't think we're going to lose $21,000 here without having 250 for the upside. I can leave this one open for hours. We got $21,000 buffer. Look at that. It is about to produce the amount of money needed. Yeah, so $9,000 plus $3,000, $12,000 will be requested. Sorry to hear that, buddy. Bass. Get back in a much better shape, buddy. Ah, Quantum. You never know when you get the invitation on a post mail. Yeah. Well, I could have that on Lucid. Lucid Daily, I could have that. Or FundedSeat Ultra, Daily Ultra. I could have that 21k, right? I'm just going to leave this one open till the target is touched. And then we're going to request the payout from here too. I want to get paid in directly my bank, not Rise from FundedSeat. Rise is causing a lot of problems and issues for a bunch of people. Not friendly anymore with the prop from traders. Ha 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 ha. Wow. We're not going to DCA at this point. We're going to DCA a little bit lower. Here. 2 contracts. Running for the profits. Exactly. No, I don't want to get paid in the Rise. Look at the silly price section they're doing up here, guys. At any point, I can accept the day and then make just $250 the next day, right? Basically, the payout for me here is pretty much inevitable. I can get out here, accept this loss, and make the $250 the next day, and I'll have 5 days of 250. So it's so easy. I have the 5th day of 250, but I don't think I need it. I just DC'd one more time. We have a lot of cash here in the account. 298 for my exit. It's a little high on my entry. Could be much better. Just stick with us, stop trading for a little bit, and get back in a very, very small sizing conditions. GTR bass. That should be your #1 priority. You gotta get used to this small sizing. Small sizing is surely gonna take you to a different route. A route and a model of trading, a different type, which is first of all gonna keep you alive for a longer period of time. And that means a different experience. A total different experience to trade an account for 2 weeks or to trade an account for 48 hours and just trade accounts for 48 hours and continuously blow them. No, having a journey of 2 weeks is improving your career differently. So bring that sizing down. #1 priority for you. And then slowly scale. But extremely slowly scale. $344 touch, guys. There you go. Another pouch secured. Let's just celebrate this one. Another 3,000 secured. Boom. So we're gonna change the type. Nasty, nasty candle. GTR, you gotta take a break till you calm down and you're not gonna trade emotionally out of frustration. You can't be angry on this. You can't stand and trade in an angry fashion. It's not gonna work. You're gonna revenge, you're gonna break all the rules, and you're not lucid in having decisions. So when you feel things slow down and you're taking control of your mind, you can resume trading at that moment. It is my accurate advice to you, buddy. Let's run another round of giveaways. Another round. Let's do another 350,000 blue sky. 350,000 blue sky accounts. Come on, guys, let's do it. Time for the next giveaway. I am just randomly pushing buttons. But that was a hell of a day, guys. 8,800. FundedSeat 8,890. And 3,000 from Lucid Flex. Time for the next giveaway. 3 accounts of Blue Sky, 50,000. What you gotta do, you gotta fill up the form. These are the participation rules. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Absolutely mandatory. Absolutely. Hey boy, bad boys. You can look up the numbers. We're gonna have a single number 2 and a 777. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Come on. Single number 2, 777. Good luck, everyone. Single number 2, 777. Let me know your best one. The big belly accounts are making money, which is all fine. Alright, guys. Stop right there. Stop right there. Shuffle till number 2 is going to be on the green side. Best of luck, everyone. Let's go. This is lagging a little bit. It's lagging. Wow, it's lagging. Oh, that's not going to be number 2. It is the lucky 7 with yellow. Congratulations for winners. Congratulations for winners. Ha ha ha. Who's up here for the race? Who's up there? Who's up there? We're gonna have a minute competition time. We're waiting. We're waiting. From Badger. Now we're getting it. $127. That's wild. Wow. You guys have no idea what's going to be out here. We're going to do top 5. Second round, and then top 3 will win. So we're gonna do 2 rounds. Are you ready to see this madness? Here you go. Start right there. Top 5 will go second round. Top 5 will go second round. The Tom G leading, look at that. Turkeys. Let's do top 5 plus the last one. Top 5 plus the last one. Tony is winning. Tony. Awesome God. Citycraft. Stereo. And Faded Zero. Oh, look at that. And Miss K911 is here on the 7th. But we got top 5, and let's see the last one as a bonus. Interactive. Vervo Interactive. Did you fill out the form, buddy? It is, yes. Congratulations. We got you. Let's see for the other ones. Tony. Awesome God. Tony. Congratulations. You're going second round. Awesome God. Congratulations. City Crafty and Stereo. City. Yeah. You got this one. Stereo. You got this one too. And then the faded 0. Good job. So we're having 6 players running for 3 accounts. 30 seconds competition time. We're gonna reward the last 3, not the top 3. The last 3. Best of luck right there. Again, the 3rd, the 2nd, and the 1st will not be rewarded. We're rewarding the 4th, 5th, and 6th, the last 3. 268 on freaking Nasdaq. Stop speeding up, we're rewarding laziness. Awesome dog. It's the wrong race of winning. Faded 0 and Virvo Interactive. You guys are not having anything. Stereo, Tony, and Citycrafty are the winners. Congratulations for 50,000 Blue Sky. This is complete madness here on the market. It's complete madness. The big belly accounts are down a little. Yeah, no problem. Tons of buffer there. Tons of money. We're continuing. There's no more accounts in FundedSeat. No connection active found. Obviously. We just cashed out. Let's trade the Blue Sky. We're gonna long it. And we're going for 2,000 bucks. Target. No, I don't think that. 12 AC. Same as Kyrgos, right? Same as Kyrgos. Ha ha ha. I don't think that. With the medical technology we've got today. He's just putting attention on his name. He wants to sell more advertising. Have a larger reach, more followers. Raising some eyeballs. You can't tell that with the today's technology. You can take trades on other accounts, but we no longer have. We no longer have Jonathan, that's why, but you can take trades. Zinner can't be done that quickly. What a nasty Nasdaq. Yeah. But this Blue Sky accounts are longing the other one too. They have a static drawdown. Good job, the newbie. Good job. On the new accounts, and sorry for the Apex stuff. Another leg down. It's not gonna be forever. We've got yesterday's low quite close, 200s. That might be on the tape. That could be on the tape. That's pretty good profits here. Pretty good profits here on this one, guys. It's not looking that bad. $1,000 already. Yeah, I'm gonna walk away with 1,100 here on this one. And the other account is also 620, which is great. I'm gonna rebuild my entry and wait for something. Once we have a trend confirmed for the upside, I'm gonna have a good time relonging. But that's a lot of money. 620 plus on the other one, 1,100. This is static drawdown, so any profit also represents extra drawdown. It's static drawdown account. We're back in profits. We're back in profits, smashing this. Uncertainty here. Laying around. Look at that. Red candle up here, so we gotta smash it. No bueno. We are on fire. Two minutes break. So I'll be 2 minutes, be right back. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll be doing this. Some nice limit orders there. This way. You know, just chilling. Chilling on some nice limit orders. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Nothing filled up. Where's my limit orders, guys? Damn limit orders. You see, not chasing with a market order. It's not coming back that easily. Look at that. It's not really coming back for my trades. Are they? Not really coming back for my trades. Haha. Not an issue. We'll sort it out. We'll sort it out. There is a gap between today's low and yesterday's low, and I'm wondering if that 18 points, 17 points remain untouched. That's a pretty big front run. I bet there is tons of people waiting for that pivot to be touched, and it's not coming. We might get a bouncing. Yeah. I'm getting back in my longs. Hopefully this is not going to be too early. Hopefully we keep printing. Because if that's too early, then it's no good business for this trade. How long it takes for your account to be active once purchased with Blusky? Just probably a few minutes. I don't think there's anything wild with it. Thinking about logging this account too, both blue skies. Working towards a laddering. I'm wondering. Beautiful. We need 1,400 here. Don't do that. Lovely. And for this one, we need $900. And we got the full target of 2,000, guys. A cliff. Where is the cliff? Let's see. Not looking like a cliff yet. Give me that nice juice. 2,000 is gonna be out here. You know that's valuable because of the static. So we're gonna have 4,000 bucks drawdown, which is so valuable. Once you put 2 days in a row of such winners, you're good to be called out. Come on, go for it. Exactly, Quantum. Really good. And it's a lot closer to the way the environment of a personal funding looks. A lot closer to that. Where you don't have a trailing unless you decide Indeed. All the wicks we're having here are not making me too happy about it. But this is not a problem, guys. Not a problem. Why is it so? Well, simply, all those wicks are coming after a significant retracement. Significant retracement. And we are instantly receiving buying pressure as soon as we undercut. So the chance is increased of a reversal even if your 5-minute wicks are facing rejection. They do face rejection for a temporary period of time. But as time goes, we have bigger and bigger chances of recovery. In terms of the next hours, of course. Right now, in terms of the minutes, you can be choppy here. So you have to be able to digest that choppiness. We're gonna run the last round of giveaways very soon, in a matter of minutes. Very soon, in a matter of minutes. The last round. That was a beautiful 1-minute candle we just closed. Might be marking the end of that micro downtrending movement. Time to protect this, reject, and go for the red line. This money is so valuable in aesthetic. So valuable. Acting slow. Another wick on the 5-minute case. Wow. And then it's getting pushed back. Look at that. We're watching. Give it a few more minutes, but then start the giveaways. Exactly, PG contract. Yes. Yes. That's smart money liquidity. And perfect reversal point for institutional trading and scalping. Perfect reversal points. Those are the places institutional trading reverses. And they need that liquidity to reverse institutional volume of scalpers, specifically scalpers. So for scalping, the idea is quite simple. When we don't have any external news or anything externally that is modifying the price action based on an impulse, then usually the market is just hunting liquidity back and forth for most of the day. I trade price action plus liquidity hunting. Yeah, that's right. That's so slow here, so slow. But we're gonna leave it open for the moment. You know, a powerful green candle might come through and clear the whole picture. And the good part is, it is running. We're close, guys. We're close hitting the damn target. Oh, look at that one. Just a little more, guys. No way. No way they didn't touch me. That's not real. Look at that. What's up with that one? What's up with that one, guys? You mean overcut? Undercut and overcut. If you mean that, they're the same. Damn, that was extremely close, guys. Probably a single tick. We're not break even on this. We gotta leave space. The entry is midway through that green candle. It's not a good place to be break even. Say an overcut at 340s, it's pretty much the same concept like the undercut. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's not better, it's not worse, it's the same thing. I don't like this. So I'm gonna put a stop loss break even here. Yeah, we got a stop loss break even there. And do the same thing on the other account too. On this one we have some space between the wick and my entry, $100. But probably we're gonna touch our target for the other account. Probably. You never know. Look at that. Wow, they just denied this again. Damn 300s. 300s, 310, everything is on my bottleneck. Come on. The next candle is gonna be so close with the opening. Exactly. It is really common on the bear flags. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful. $2,000 secured here as a target. Beautiful, guys. And then for this one, I'm going to be out. Yeah, they might just overcut here and do some choppiness. So I'll take 1,600. And that's really good. We have 2,368, which means a drawdown of 4,368. And the other one is running big time on great profits. Celebration time, guys, and we're going to have the last round of giveaways. 3 accounts, 100. Boom for the celebration. Oh, yeah. That was it for today. Let's run the last show of giveaways. Wait for it. So for those of you that joined recently, make sure to participate by signing up. Complete the form, like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. That's what you gotta do. We're sharing $125,000. In this one, coming from 3 accounts, 50,000. Elite Daily from Tap 1 Futures, 25,000 FundedSeat, Flex, and 50,000 YREM. Let's go for the third round. Are you guys ready? We're starting. Watch out. We're having double 7 and a single 8. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Double 7, single 8. Best of luck, everyone. Really happy about my FundedSeat payout 8,890 plus the Lucid Flex 3,000. So today's kind of the day with $12,000 in payouts. It's not bad for a Friday, is it? That's not bad for a Friday. Oh yeah. There's no way to be bad on a Friday. It is the biggest payout from a single account. Good way to start a weekend, yeah. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more. We're going to shuffle our... It's good to go. I think that's going to be double 7, so the number 7 coming up on red. Yeah. It is the number 7 coming up on red. Congratulations for the winners. Oh yeah. Even my big belly accounts are sitting on green right now. You see the value of the drawdown. Look at that one, guys. The big belly accounts are sitting on green as well. That's the value of a lot of drawdown. It's tremendous. Congratulations for winners. Congratulations. Pogo. We're gonna do the Pogo. Are you guys aware of the Pogo? What is it? We will be doing Pogo. 98 winners, 1 minute competition time. Pogo. There you go. It is live. Ha ha ha. Stick race. Pogo stick race. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Top 3 is gonna win. Where are the rest? Where are the rest of the players? Look at the tongue run. Oh my gosh. Dona is speeding up like that. Look at that. Dona. Oh. Oh. Here we've got Datro, Randy, and Igor. Top 3. Congratulations. Congratulations. Did you fill up the form? Yes, good job. Randy. Yes, congratulations. And Igor. Or Igor. Yes, you got it. So the first one, 50,000 tap on the Futures Elite Daily. Second one, 25,000. FundedSeat Flex. And the third one, 50,000 YREM. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. We had a great day. All I can tell you, when you secure $12,000 in payouts, it is a great day. Thank you so much. We're starting fresh on Monday. We keep up the chat. Very likely we're gonna post a video during the weekend. Have a beautiful time. We chat in Discord. Keep in touch. Have a lovely day. All the peace and love. And enjoy your weekend.